Upon the hill the sky turned gray. The sun withdrew its light that day. The nails, the thorns, the mocking crowd, yet still his voice was calm, not loud. Through pain the world could never know. He looked on those who struck the blow. With bleeding hands and breaking heart, he pled with God, love's perfect art. Father, forgive them, they know not what they do. Their hearts are blind, yet I love them true. For every wound, for every scar, I open heaven, I break their bars. Father, forgive them, mercy anew. They pierce my side, yet I reach through. Grace still flows where hatred grew. Father, forgive them, they know not what they do. The earth did quake, the heavens cried, yet love remained though Jesus died. The thief found peace, the soldier knelt, the world was changed by what he felt. Through every age, through mortal strife, those words still echo, giving life. He praised them still for me and you, his mercy endless, pure and true. Father, forgive them, they know not what they do. Their hearts are lost, yet love breaks through. Through darkest night, through crimson dew, Father, forgive them, they know not what they do. Oh, love divine beyond compare, to lift the cross and leave it there. Yet through that pain he called my name, and now my soul can never be the same. Father, forgive them, thy work is done. The veil is torn, the battle won. Through every heart thy light breaks through.